as you guys can see from the title, today I want to share with you guys a Thanksgiving look, or at least a Thanksgiving weekend look that I am actually going to be rocking this Thanksgiving. But before we get into the actual makeup look, I want to share with you guys a company that I have partnered with today that I'm so excited for. I partnered with them in the past and I'm so excited that they wanted to partner with me again. Can I say partner one more time? So as you guys know from the title, I am showcasing some pieces from Ana Luisa. You guys, they have such amazing pieces. As you guys know, it is Black Friday weekend. It is the Black Friday month. You guys know this is the time of year where we like to go shopping, getting the best deals of the year for Christmas gifts or for ourselves. So today I'm showcasing two pieces that I did receive from them. This bracelet, I do have close-ups of everything, but this is the bracelet that I want to share with you guys today. It is so dainty. I love this piece. As you guys can see, it's gold with a pearl in it. And you guys know that my birthday month is June, so pearls are my birthday month stone. Well, at least one of the stones. And I love this. It looks so dainty. It's beautiful. This is the Hannah bracelet. And then I also have this ring. I love a good statement thick ring like this, especially for the fingers that are not my ring fingers. I typically don't wear rings on camera because I'm always touching makeup and things, but in my daily life, I genuinely wear a lot of rings, and this is something that I have really been enjoying. It's just, I love this. I really, really do love this. So as you guys know, with Black Friday, Ana Luisa is having a sale. They're having their jewelry up to 35% off. They are a sustainable jewelry company, which I absolutely love. And their prices are pretty reasonable for what you are getting. I kid you not, my daughter, she has a lot of allergies to certain jewelry, and these jewelry pieces that I have gotten from them, she adores. I love the necklaces that I got the last time. I've rocked them all summer long. I've gotten a lot of compliments from a lot of people from them, and this is something that I just think it's perfect for the holiday season. So if you're looking to gift it to somebody, a person in your life, somebody who is wanting some sort of cheer me up and something that'll last them a while, I would highly recommend checking out Ana Luisa. I will have all the information down in the description box for you guys. Everything, it is affiliated, so if you do use it, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Obviously, this sale is a limited time because of the Black Friday weekend vibe that we're all going through. So if you have a minute, just check out their website, see what you like. They have a lot of different pieces on sale, and I will attest, you guys, I have left those jewelry pieces out exposed into the air, and they have not turned any colors. They have not tainted. They have not chipped off. It's beautiful, beautiful pieces, and I love the fact that the company is sustainable. So if you're interested, everything will be down in the description box. And thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sending these over to me. I think that these are beautiful. I'm very happy with it. It just fits me. It fits me. It's like my aesthetics. Okay, you guys, going on with the Thanksgiving theme, you guys, I have been seeing this look trend on here on social media, and I thought it was perfect because I love it. As you guys can see, it is all about the Cranberry. So I thought I'd challenge myself, obviously not going out to purchase anything new, but try to use what I have. And I think I've gotten an innovative way to give you the Cranberry look for you guys today. Just something for you guys to shop your stash, look what you have, and pull out to try to recreate this look. I think it's beautiful on every skin tone. I don't care what kind of skin tone you have. I think a cranberry look is absolutely stunning. And I'm going to do a monochromatic look today. Crossing fingers it goes well because I want to recreate this for my own Thanksgiving weekend celebration. So obviously, as you guys can see, I've already done my whole entire face, with the exception of my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips. So we are going to concentrate today on my eyes, cheeks, and lips. So obviously we're going to start out with the eyes because the eye and the lips are going to be the part that stands out the most, specifically more my lips. And then my cheeks are going to be a little bit subtle. So I thought, what way? Because let me tell you, your girl is in charge of Thanksgiving dinner again. I decided I wanted to do it again. Last year was my first year ever cooking a turkey, and I wanted to do it again this year. So I volunteered again, mainly because my kids are getting older and I want to have a tradition in our family. So when they get older to that point and then they have their own families, if they want to come over, I have already gotten it down pat. So I got to start somewhere. So I'm doing Thanksgiving dinner again, and I need something that's going to last on my face because I'm having obviously company over, and I need it to be quick and to the point. So What we are using today is one product for all of these things. You obviously could bring in different products to finish off the look, but I think that this one main product is going to do everything. It is marketed to be used all over the face, so that's exactly what I'm doing. And you guys know I'm a fan of these. I am a fan. These are the MAC Glow Play blushes. You guys know they came out with new colors, so I picked up this color in Big Diva Energy. Can we just take a minute to appreciate this? I know. I purchased this back in the summertime, so around my birthday, this is when I got quite a few of these. And I could not help myself with this one because I knew that these are reformulated to be able to be worn on the lips, the eyes, the cheeks, wherever you want to put them. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. So prep yourselves. All right, so before we get into this product right here, I'm just going to put something into the crease. And obviously I've been rocking this one. Oh, it actually matches at all. It's like a whole aesthetic for me today. So this actually is something that I would pair with Cranberry. See how beautiful that is? Oh my goodness, Alex. Yo, what? Okay, so I just need a crease color. I just want something to kind of like have this product cling to. So I'm just going to go into High Life, which is this shade right here. It's just enough for me to have something on my eyes. I don't want it to overpower my look because my main goal is to have this be all over the face. So I'm just going to put this in the crease. I have already primed my lids. So it has already been primed. And like I mentioned, I did most of my face already. So I kind of have a head start for you guys. But you guys just pick something out of your collection that you have that's Cranberry and work with it. Obviously, you guys know I am a diehard fan for these. So when I saw that they came out with new shades, I did ask them for my birthday. And I never showed you guys what I got for my birthday over the summer. But I did get quite a few of the new colors. So, and I'm not upset about them because you guys know that I've already panned one and I know I can do it and I know I can stick to these products. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I did that on my crease. You guys can see it's very light and soft. It's like a softy mauvey, grayish shade that I think will go really nice with this. So we are going to go ahead and just use our finger. So I'm going to grab it like this and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. Now my thing is, I think my lips are going to be very bold. So I'm going to try to do a wash on my eyes, as you guys can see. Oh my goodness. You guys, this just gets me so excited, especially when I have products that I genuinely love and enjoy. Look at this. And I can multitask them. I always put stuff under here. Now I see how I do it. So I'm just going to grab this brush and kind of brush it around. As you guys can see here, I'm just trying to do a wash of this blush on my eyes. I don't want it to be too overpowering, mainly because we're going to put this on the cheeks and the eyes, and too much Cranberry is just going to be too much. Because this is very bold and in your face kind of a look, I'm going to keep my lower lash line completely bare. You can go ahead and put this under if you want, but because I'm using this on the cheeks and the lips as well, I don't want this to be overpowering and just be too much, especially since I am going to be cooking Thanksgiving dinner. One, my head's going to be in the oven a lot, and I notice that every time my head's in the oven, my mascara, no matter what I do, will run down on my face because of the steam. And two, I have to be very specific and precise for my lower lash line, and I just won't have the time to do all that. This will be easy. I just plop this on and just like basically buff it out. You guys can see I buffed it completely out. And there is my wash. My eyeballs are finissimo. Now, obviously, if you want some sort of shimmer and glisten, you can grab like a glittery shadow. Like I can grab this color Aurora right here and just put it in the center. So we're going to see at the end if I want to do that. But I might end up doing that in the center. But for now, we're just going to leave it the way it is before I put on my mascara. We're going to go on to now the cheeks. So obviously for the cheeks, I'm going to try again to be very gentle. I want a wash of my Cranberry look. So I'm just going to boop, 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 boop. Pop it in there. I always buff it out on the back of my hand because I don't want a ton on my cheeks. It's harder to take off than to add. So I always use the back of my hand. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, you guys, do not be afraid of these. Like, when it's done right, it's just, So beautiful. So beautiful. You guys can see that, can't you? I'm going to bring this more to the apples of my cheeks. I never really do that, but because this is more of like a cranberry color, I kind of feel like this is what my cheeks look like whenever I am. Yep, we're going to go on the nose too. Look how pretty that looks. It's like a nice flush to the cheeks. Oh, you guys, do not be afraid of these. They just do it right. Okay, so now obviously the last bit is going to be the lips. Now, I did have a lip treatment on my lips because my lips are so dry. It's ridiculous. It's so dry. Typically, you guys know that I go in with a lip liner. So I do have a lip liner here. This one's from BK Beauty in the shade Alter Ego, I think. Yes, Alter Ego. So this is more of like a deep cranberry shade. Perfect for what we're going for right now. Look at that. Could not. But before I go into it, I'm going to first use my finger to see that. And obviously the lip liner will help. I love the fact that they reformulated these to be on the lips because look. You can do that blurred lip thing going on. So I'm going to just line my lips real quick. So that way it kind of like puts together. All right, so let's fill in thy lips, shall we? Woo! Look how beautiful that is. I really want to put on a lip gloss. So let me grab a lip gloss with this because I don't know. Something's telling me you need a lip gloss. So, okay, so I have this Tom Ford lip gloss that was sent to me in PR and called Disclosures. You guys can see it's like this beautiful red, deep red. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this. All right, so I'm going to put on my mascara. See if I want to put some glisten on the eyes. If not, I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to grab this Too Faced Maracuja Lip Juicy Liner in the shade Honeysuckle. I'm going to try to line it up because I feel like the lips are a little bit too red for what I'm going for. So let me see if this will help. I'm going to go in with Merit Fashion, which is more of like this cranberry color. This is what I normally do with my lips. I kid you not. I do concoctions all the time. All right, you guys. I think that's the closest I can get to a burgundy shade. One of my favorite shades that I no longer have is Maybelline Diva. Oh, I love that lipstick. I no longer have it, and I'm trying to figure something close to it, but I love the fact that I can use this all over the face. As you guys can see, monochromatic look. If you were to look at me and ask, Alex, what is on your eyes, lips, and cheek? And if I would told you it's one simple product, you guys wouldn't believe me. This is the beauty of having products that you just multitask them. You guys, how you can use your products is endless. And I love the fact that these came out this way and you can use them however you want. I love how this turned out. Super easy to the point. I look put together. I look glam, but I didn't do much to my face. Oh, I love it. And this is the whole trend of monochromatic look. If you want to pop a shimmer, you can do like a shimmer like this. Do Space Cowboy on your eye, something. I actually like this. I don't know. There's something about it that I really do enjoy. So I had a lot of fun with this, you guys. I hope you guys like this look. I'm speechless that I was able to get this done with just this one product. Obviously, the lips, you guys, it was never going to just be one lip product. I am somebody who loves to like add a bunch of things. I added a bunch of things to my lips. This is my typical lip concoction, my mixologist in me that I love to do with lips. But you guys, this is the base of it. And because this is the base, this is going to last a long time. Like after I eat and stuff, this will last me a long time. And look, I'm not getting anything on my teeth. That's exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Shop your stash to see what you have to come up with this trend. I love this trend. I think it's one of my favorite trends that I've seen so far this year that I genuinely have loved and always enjoyed in the past. So cranberry has always been my jam. It's always been my jam in the fall and the winter time. So I know I will be rocking this more often. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa down in the description box. I will have the link for you guys. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for collabing with me, and check out their pieces. Just click the link, look around, shop around, just window shop. See if there's something in the future that you may like, or maybe put it on your Christmas list or your wish list, birthday wish, whatever it is. This is the time to look because this is where they have the best sales. Obviously, everyone's having one of their best sales now, so check them out down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the video on the screen. Until then.